Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect whitebit.com to TradingView in 2026. Now, it is very simple and easy thing to do. First of all, you need to open your web browser. Over here in the search bar, you need to search for tradingview.com. Now, when you log in into your TradingView account, by default, you are going to see this type of home page in front of you. So when you are here, simply click on the option of products. Now, what this is going to do is, it is going to open any of the charts in front of you just like so. Now here, click on the option of trading panel in the bottom left hand corner. Now click on the option of show all brokers. Now it is going to show you the list of all of the brokers which you can basically connect with TradingView. Now since we want to connect Whitebit account with TradingView, you just have to look for Whitebit here. So when you are able to find it, simply click on its icon, then click on the option of connect. Now it is going to redirect you here on the Whitebit login page. Here you can log in with the help of your email address or QR code or with the help of the Web3 credentials. So here you can choose any of these methods and basically you need to log in into your Whitebit account first. After that, when prompted, you just have to authenticate TradingView so that it could connect with your Whitebit account easily. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.